Old Spice Fiji deodorant. It's a scent of palm tree and coconut and 24/7 odor protection with daily use. Here's the Old Spice question of the day. Okay, would you trade places with me for a day?
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, what do you mean? Like, what do you mean? I think it's cool, like, you're able to buy $1 million birds and name them Jalen and Saquon.
Yeah, you're doing good.
Yeah, my agent, we just signed a big deal, but we still, our pocketbook ain't like that.
like
So,
that.
yeah, I would like to switch
see
for
what
a
it's
day.
like for a
Yeah,
day.
for sure.